Hi, today I'm for the Realme C55 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first we should press for a while the power key button on the right side of our phone. Here we can see that by press and hold the power button and volume up button will turn it off, but with the press and hold to the power key we'll use the Google Assistant. So if you don't want to use the volume up button and Google and power button to turn off your device and you want to use only the power key, so open first the settings and then scroll down to the special features. Click to gestures and motions, tap to allow, and okay, now just go back, click to additional settings and to power button. Here click press and hold power button and switch assistant to the power menu. Now just let's press to the power key button, and to turn off our device slide to the down this white dot, and that's it. So after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.